You're welcome back to a concluding video on our letter sounds. Yes. So if you can remember, if you can recall, we did A to E, A to I, we did J to R, and today we want to do S to Z. S to Z. Okay, quickly, let's take our letter sounds. Letter S sound S. Letter T sounds T. T. Letter U sounds A. Letter U sounds A. Letter V sounds V. Letter V sounds V. Letter W sounds W. Letter W sounds W. Letter X sounds X. Letter X sounds X. Letter Y sounds Y. Letter Z sounds Z. Letter S sounds S. Letter T sounds T. 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 Letter U sounds A. A. Letter V sounds V. Letter W sounds W. Letter X sounds X. Letter Y sounds Y. Letter Z sounds Z. Alright, before we proceed, let's take word samples on the letter sounds. Word samples for letter S, we have S as in sheep, S as in sheep, T as in teacher, T as in teacher, A as in umbrella, A as in umbrella, V as in vase, V as in vase, W as in window, W as in window, X as in x-ray, X as in x-ray, Y as in yacht, Y as in yacht, Z as in zebra, Z as in zebra. Let's take our diction drill on these sounds. Okay, the first word is S as in sheep, S as in sheep. The sheep is on the ocean. The ship is on the ocean. The next one is T. As in teacher. As in teacher. My teacher is beautiful and intelligent. My teacher is beautiful and intelligent. Yes. V, as in vase. That flower vase is for my mom. That flower vase is for my mom. The next one is window. Window. That window is not closed. That window is not closed. X-ray. 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 She took the X-ray of a leg. She took the X-ray of a leg. Yacht. Yacht. The yacht is beautiful. The yacht is beautiful. Zoo. Zoo. There are lots of animals in the zoo. There are lots of animals in the zoo. Okay, so we want to take a brief sound blending. 3-letter sounds blending. Okay, quickly, what sound is this? Sound it, let's hear. Since you know your letter sounds now from A to Z. So can you sound this for me? Letter N sounds Letter I sounds I. Letter P sounds P. What would I give you? I, P, nip. The next one is man, man. The next one we have is p, a, t, pat. Again, p, a, t, pat. Again, p, a, t, pat. Again, p, a, t, pat. Okay, so we stop there for today. We take the other sound blendings as we proceed in the course of our learning. So see you in the other video. I thank you for your time. Thank you for learning with Coach Glory. I'll see you in our other video. Thank you. God bless you. I love you very much. Remember to always, 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 always speak with your diction. Thank you.